afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone.
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, very good afternoon. Very good afternoon.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, thank you. Yes. What's your activity? One by one, okay. Ain Al. Yes. It's her chance. Ain Al. Yes. Ain. Good. Yes, very good. Ain Al. Good work.
Ma'am, those who did do, should they show again also?
No. Niranjana?
Ma'am,
You already submitted, right, Niranjana? Yes. I already checked. Yeah. What about others? Catherine, was your activity? Joseph,
I
Ivan, and
didn't get the pictures because I don't have neither stickers or.
no problem. Then you can write about them. Okay. Just write about them. Yes.
Ma'am, I am in
Ivan,
my
yes.
bus.
Very good.
Ma'am,
Good work.
excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I show morning, but you didn't
Yes, then it's fine. Then it's fine. No problem. No problem.
And Namzi
One
is
more is
showing
here. Yes. Namsia. Yes. I can't see dear. Joseph Ivan, I already checked yours. Very good. Very good. Namsia. Yes. Turn, please. Yes. Good work. Good work. Sia. Yes. Keep it up. Then anyone else? Devananda. Yes. But I can't see it here. It's not clear. Yes. No.
Ma'am, can I
No
send
problem.
in the WhatsApp?
Yes. That's fine. Okay. I'll check that. Devananda? Okay. Others, please switch on your videos. Joseph, Ivan, and all, please switch on your videos. Yes.
I sent to shop. Then he said the computer is not working.
Who? Whom?
That activity.
Okay. Okay, so let's start, right? Let's go with our revision.
Yeah.
Okay.
We should start now.
Devadatta, what happened?
Who's bored in this class?
I don't know, I can't hear. Okay. Yes, take your rough book, all of you. Last class we discussed 5 questions, right? 5 questions from lesson 2.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope it's clear for
Ma'am,
you.
we finished the fifth.
Class.
Okay. Catherine, please take your rough book. We are going to revise lesson 2.
I don't have a rough book. I use paper instead.
Okay.
The count. And then the pilot appears.
So last class we discussed 5 questions. Catherine, others, you can listen. Dash is the weather of a location recorded over a long period of time. The answer is
Climate.
climate. Yes. Very good.
Climate.
Name 2 factors that affect the climate of a place.
Wind and humidity.
Height above the sea level. These are the certain factors that affect the climate of a place. Very good. Very good.
Of a place.
Question one by one. Okay, one by one. I'll call you name. Question number 3. Name the 3 climatic zones. Mega.
Torrid zone, temperate zone, and frigid zone.
Frigid zone. Very good. So, torrid zone, frigid zone,
climatic
temperate
zones.
zone are the 3.
Climatic zones.
Devananda, what does frigid mean?
Frigid
Means very cold.
Frigid means very cold.
Places near the dash receive direct rays of the sun. It's time for mute. All of you, please mute yourself. Okay. We are going to start our revision test from question number 6. Okay, I'm going to change. Please mute yourself. All of you, please mute. Yes, good work. I'll read question number 6. You can write in one word. Okay, this is a one-word question. Question number 6. Listen carefully. Jakarta, it's a place name in Indonesia, always experiences hot and humid climate. And which climatic zone does it lie? This is the question. This is a one-word question. Be quiet and write. Next, question number 7, 8, 9, and 10. You have to write in sentences.
Ma'am, can you say sixth question?
6, right?
I don't know understand.
Ma'am, in one word.
Yes. Question number 6 is a one-word question. You can write.
Question number 7 is
Yeah.
sentence.
Question number 7, 8, 9,
Miss-
and 10. You have to write in sentences.
first, what about first 10 question and 5th question? Up to the temporary zone. And temporary zone, I think.
Question number 6. We already discussed, dear Catherine. We already discussed 5 questions. That's why we start from here. Question number 6. Okay. You can mark question number 6 and start writing. Is that fine, Catherine? Okay. Then we will discuss. I'll read once again. Jakarta in Indonesia always experiences hot and humid climate. So in which
Should we write
climatic
the
zone
question?
does it lie? No.
Okay.
Just write the answers, okay? You can take a screenshot if you want, or you can mark the important questions. All these are the important and sure questions for your exam, okay? You can note. Question number 7. Name 2 trees found in the torrid zone. Any 2 trees found in the torrid zone. You have to write in sentences. Who's that?
Ashwin.
Ashwin, no problem. Just start with question number 6. Last class we discussed 5 questions. Okay, we can start from question number 6.
Ma'am,
Question 6 is a one-word
can
question.
we write? Ma'am, can we write seventh answer one word?
No, you have to write in sentences. Question 7, 8, 9, and 10, you have to write in sentences. Question number 6, you can write as a one word. That's a one-word question. If you have any doubt, just raise your hand. I'll call you, okay? Ashwin, yeah, Ashwin, what's the problem, dear Ashwin?
Can you say the 6th question? I didn't understood.
Yes, I'll read. Okay, Jakarta, it's a place name, okay, like Mala, Thrissur and all. It's just a place name in Indonesia, like Mala in India or Thrissur in India, like that. Jakarta in Indonesia always experiences hot and humid climate. Hot and humid climate. So, in which climatic zone does it lie? We discussed about 3 climatic zones. So, in which climatic zone they lie? That's the question, Ashwin.
Then we should write in sentence.
No, question number 6 is a one-word question. Yes, Megha, what's your doubt? What's your doubt?
Ma'am, in the 9th question, what is hibernation? And give one example
Yes.
that hibernation.
Yes,
animal
that
hibernates.
hibernate. Yes.
So can we write more than one? Or
Yeah,
only
no
one?
problem, no problem. Christo, any doubt, Christo? Finished. Very good, Christo. Keep it up. Good work.
Ma'am, not that. I have a doubt.
You can ask, Christo. I can't see Ashwin.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the
Humid,
eighth
right?
question?
Christo, what's the meaning of?
What's the meaning of eighth question?
8th question. Okay. Give 2 examples of vegetation found in the frigid zone, right? Vegetation. So you can write about plants and trees that found in frigid zone. I'll give a clue. In temperate zone, grassland, that is a vegetation there. Like that, you have to write the examples in all the trees and plants found in the frigid zone. That's the question. Is that clear, Christo?
Yes.
The question is clear, right? Okay.
Do you want to write question?
No, just write the answers.
In 7th question, we should write sentence.
Yes. Question 7, 8, 9, and 10, you have to write in sentences. Each question carries 1 mark. Okay, very good, very good.
Excuse
This
me,
is
ma'am.
complete work. Yes, who's calling me? Yes,
Ninth question. Vegetation means?
vegetation means the plants or trees are found in that particular zone. Vegetation, the normal trees and all. Yes.
Now what's ninth question?
9.
Ma'am,
What is
ninth one.
hibernation? What is hibernation? Any idea? You just write, then we will discuss. Okay. And give one example of one animal that hibernate. One example for that. Okay.
Sixth one.
Sixth one, that's very easy, my dear. We already discussed about 3 climatic zones, right? So you have to write which climatic zone this place belongs. That's it. Jakarta in Indonesia always experiences hot and humid climate.
So simple, moms.
Yes.
Very simple.
Very simple.
Yes, yes,
Excuse me,
yes.
ma'am.
Fine, fine. Okay, be quiet and write.
Excuse me, ma'am. Answer this.
Hmm.
That's how simple the Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Well, technically, this is in 8 questions.
I can't hear. One by
can
one.
we-
One by one. Who's calling me? One by one.
Ma'am, in 8 question, can we write about animals also?
No, no. Vegetation. Only plants and trees. Okay.
Ma'am, it is very
Ma'am, the two main vegetations.
Which means 2 examples. 2 examples. Or 2
Ma'am.
plants or 2 trees found in the frigid zone. Name any 2 trees or name any 2 plants found in the frigid zone. That's the question meaning of 8. Okay, so you have to learn the meaning of vegetation. Don't confuse.
Means
Okay,
the greenery
vegetation.
areas.
Yes.
The trees and plants.
Yes. Good.
Ma'am, can we start discussing?
No, Nived and all they are writing. So please wait. Kashinath, finish? Finish, dear?
I
Okay.
don't have a because I am not in my home.
Please note the questions, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So just also
I
write
know
it.
the answer of the question.
Okay, then no problem. Question number 6, that's a direct question from your workbook. It's there in your workbook, okay? Agnes is writing, right, Agnes? Yes? Okay.
Ma'am, what is 8th one?
8th one, that's very simple question. Give 2 examples of vegetation found in the frigid zone. Vegetation. So the simple question that is give 2 examples of plants or give 2 examples of trees found in the frigid zone. I'll give an example for that. Grassland, that's the example of vegetation in temperate zone. Like that, you have to write the name of plant or tree found in the frigid zone. No problem,
Ma'am,
Randir. We will discuss.
frigid zone animals.
Frigid zone? No, no, no. You have only write the plants and animals. That's the meaning of vegetation. We will discuss. Okay, we will discuss.
Okay.
We are just learning, no problem. Okay. What happened?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
In the first paragraph, in the first questions, there was what is the meaning of frigid,
Hmm.
and in the second paragraph, in the second slide, it shows what does torrid
Torrid,
means,
yeah.
and the third one it will be what does temperate means.
No, no more slides. It's over. That's my trick. Otherwise, the questions will be easy, right?
So, ma'am, these same questions will be there on the exam sheet also.
Not all the questions, but some questions will be there. Okay, that's why we are.
The main ones.
Yes. Yes, Christo.
That the meaning of temperate is mild, right?
Yes. Good. Good work, Christo. You're right. What's the meaning of that here? No question. What does temperate mean? Additional
Can
question
I
with
say
additional answer, right?
it's mild?
Yes, yes. Very good, Christo. You're right.
Question, I only
Ma'am,
have
like
One by one, one by
this
one.
is the
It's not
answers.
audible. So let's discuss, right? Okay.
No, ma'am, I haven't
No, ma'am,
Then make
I'm
it fast.
writing.
Make it fast. Make
Ma'am,
it fast.
What
Okay.
else?
Ma'am, finish.
I mean, the pine tree grass.
Excuse me, ma'am, finish.
Please mute everyone. All of you, please mute. Somebody's unmuted.
Ninth question, please don't.
Yeah, no problem, no problem. Take time and write, okay? But try to make the correct sentences.
Ma'am, I can't see the board.
Why? What's the problem?
I don't know.
What about others?
We can see, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can
We
also
can
see.
see.
Because of your network issue, dear.
Ma'am, I didn't understand ninth question.
Can you stop share and again share? Now I can see.
Some network issue. Dear.
Ma'am, we can discuss. Ma'am, your video is off. Oh no.
Can we discuss the answer?
Okay, so let's discuss.
Yes, ma'am. No.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes,
Take time, okay? 3 more minutes. Make it fast.
Ma'am, first lecture.
Anjani Harrow, any doubt, dear? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. Is coming.
Sorry.
One is coming. Ma'am, it's from Christo.
All of you, please mute yourself, okay? And all of you, please switch on your videos. Yes. Farhan, the first question is for you. Farhan. Jakarta, just read the question and answer.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Louder, please, okay? I can't hear.
Jakarta, Indonesia always experience hot and humid climate. In which climate zone does it stay? Zone.
Sorry?
Torrid zone.
Torrid zone. Very good, very good. Because we
Indo.
know 3 climatic zones are there. Torrid zone, temperate zone and frigid zone, right? So here the question is, the place belong to hot and humid climate. So the answer that is?
Torrid zone.
Torrid zone. So what's the spelling? Devananda.
Torrid.
Torrid.
Very good, very good.
Torrid.
Yes. Torrid.
Torrid.
Zone.
Torrid.
What's the spelling of zone?
ZONE. Zone.
Z-O-N.
Ma'am, no need to write zone spelling because in the question itself zone is there. In
Yes.
which climate?
Next question.
Zone.
Lionel. Next question. Lionel. Name 2 trees found in the torrid zone.
Yes, ma'am. Rubber tree and mahogany tree are found in torrid zone.
I can't hear. Sorry. Once again.
Ma'am, rubber tree and mahogany tree.
Very good.
are
Very
found
good.
in
Rubber
torrid
tree and
zone.
mahogany. What's the spelling of rubber?
R-U-B-B-E-R.
Bamboo tree, mahogany. All these are the certain found in the torrid zone. One by one. Okay, you can use the chat box. Okay. You can use the chat box. You can express your answers there. No problem.
And
Yes.
I wrote bamboo.
Bamboo, right?
Ma'am, I write coconut tree.
Coconut tree. No problem. No problem.
Trees and grass because I have avoided.
Neem tree.
Catherine?
Ma'am, I have mahogany.
Torrid. Yes. Very good. Very good. You can use the chat box for answering. Okay. No problem. Next question. That is for Randir. Next question. Give 2 examples of vegetation found in the frigid zone. Randir? No. Okay. Amal Faiz, can you try, Amal? 2 examples of vegetation found in frigid zone.
Vegetation found in the
Yes. Mosses, M-O-S-S-E-S. Mosses and lichen, right? L-I-C-H-E-N. Okay. All of you, please take your textbook. It's there in your textbook. Please mark that. Randir also. If anyone have doubt, yes, moss and lichen. Very good, Ivan Thomas. You can use the chat box, okay? Randir, it's there in your chat box. Sorry, it's there in your textbook.
Subject is in their workbook.
Sorry.
This is the workbook.
Yes. Now it's clear, right, Randir?
Ma'am, I
No
think
need of underline. Yes. Yes. The mosses and lichen are the examples of trees or plants found in the frigid zone. Okay.
Ma'am, I think it is there in the workbook.
Yes.
Ma'am, can we
There in
discuss?
your workbook, right? Yes. Question number 5. Page number 16. Question number 5 in your workbook. You can see the question. Give 2 examples of vegetation found in the frigid zone. The same question. Mosses and lichen. Okay. MOSSES and LICHEN. Any doubt?
Ma'am, it is 5.
No,
It is
ma'am.
Ryan. Ashwin, correct answer? Okay. So next question is for Rayan. Next question, Rayan. Just read your answer, okay? Then we will correct. Next question. What is hibernation? And name one animal that hibernates.
ma'am. During winters, it is not easy to find food.
Very good.
Since animals sleep through the season,
Good
it is
work.
called hibernation.
Very good. So example?
Arctic squirrel.
Yes. Other than this, Nived, any other examples for that?
And crocodile. Ma'am, polar bear.
Yes.
Polar bear.
Polar bear.
Greenland shark.
Glycerin. Excuse me.
Ma'am, Greenland shark.
Yes. One by one. Okay, one by one.
Arctic
Very good.
Ma'am,
Very good.
Greenland shark.
Answer from Farhan. What's your answer, Farhan, for question number 9? Just read the answer. Ashwin, good work, Ashwin.
And can I say somebody?
Yes.
Greenland shark. Can I say one thing? Crocodile. Crocodile. Ma'am, Greenland shark.
Nived, can you please read question number 9, the answer for question number 9? Just read your answer, okay?
Question number 9.
Yes, question number 9.
What is hibernation and name one animal that hibernates?
Yes.
Hibernates.
What's the answer, dear? Just read your answer.
During in winter, the animals will sleep. That is hibernation. The deer will sleep in winter.
Yes. We all know, right? During winter, it's very difficult for them to find out food. That's why they sleep for a long period of time or throughout the season. That is called as hibernation. Polar bear, that's one of the best example. Or the name one animal that hibernates, that is our polar bear. Okay. Then I need one more response from George Uti. This is your first chance, right? George Uti. Yeah. Please unmute, my dear. George.
Okay, ma'am.
Just read question number 9. The answer for question number 9.
What is hibernation
Yes.
and name one animal that hibernates?
Yes. What's your answer?
During winter, it is not possible for animals to find food.
Very
so
good.
They sleep for the whole season.
Very good. Perfect. Yes. So
And-
name one animal that hibernate. That's our polar bear, right?
Yes,
Very good. Good work. Good work. It's in your workbook, question number 13, page number 17. Okay. The same question you can see in your workbook. Question number 13. What is hibernation? Name an animal that hibernate. The same question from your workbook. Okay. Next question. Ashwin. Ashwin Krishna. Ashwin, are you there?
Yes,
Ashwin?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yeah. Question number 10 is for you. What does torrid mean?
Torrid means very hot.
Torrid means very hot. Good work.
Ma'am, the 9th question answers. Example, I wrote Arctic ground squirrels.
Yes. That's right. Right answer. Okay. Okay. So that's all about our lesson 2. The important questions from lesson 2. That is, name the 3 climatic zones. What does frigid mean? Name 2 factors affect the climate of a place. Very important question. Question number 2. Okay. Then here we have the examples of vegetation, trees found in the torrid zone. Anyone have any doubt? Yes or no? It's clear, right? Lesson 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Okay, very good. So let's discuss 2 more questions from lesson 1. Okay. Just 2 more questions. I'm sorry.
Ma'am, you disable chat. All are chatting.
But they are writing the answers, right? No problem. Yes.
Ma'am, that no. Some are putting reactions.
No need of that. Okay, this is from these questions, question number 15 and 16. 2 more questions from lesson 1. Okay, so please give heading lesson 1 and start writing the answers of question number 15 and 16. I'll read the first question. That is very simple question. Define equator. What is equator? This is from lesson 1. Give heading lesson 1 and write 15. Define
15
equator.
and 16.
Yes, just 15 and 16. Next question. Why international date line is curved in some places? 2 more questions. That's it. Okay. That's all for today. Okay. 2 more questions. Just write. Make it fast. Ivan Thomas, all of you. 2 more questions. It's easy, right? Rayan? Yes. Very good. Define, define equator and why.
Ma'am, how many questions? How many questions are there? I have a doubt. Ma'am, I have a doubt.
You can ask Christo.
Ma'am, that the 10th question is what the storage means, and also in this one also again 10 as well.
Look here, this
That
question number
only I
15
am
and 16 from lesson 1. Okay, we already finished lesson 2. And for
No.
Tuesday, one more class, right? Tuesday, get ready with lesson 3, the revolt of 1857. We will discuss that questions on that day. Okay?
Ma'am, in the exam portions list, there will be no regular classes.
No, no. One more class. That's on Tuesday, right? 2 questions. The first one, define equator. Please write. What is equator? Then second one, why international date line is curved? Yes, Gurjit? Gurjit?
Can we write there in the 8th question?
8. No?
Yes.
Name. Oh, give one example for vegetation and all, right?
Mama, that's hibernation.
Yes. Any doubt? Any doubt for that question?
Yes, ma'am. Can we write there? Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Gurjit.
Ma'am, echo is coming.
All of you, please mute yourself, my dears. It's from my voice.
No,
Right. Okay. Gurjit.
It's Christo. Now that was
You may please write the answers for question 15 and 16. Okay. Make it fast. It's time. Define equator.
How much question is there in this test?
ma'am, we have to write this.
Only the 15 and 16. Sorry. Somebody is asking something. I think it's Ashwin. Yes.
Lionel.
Lionel. Yes, you can ask Lionel
How many questions are there in this test?
for the final exam, term 1 exam.
Ma'am, Christo have a doubt.
Others, please mute, my dears. Lionel. Yes. Final exam, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Maybe 15.
Excuse me,
Ma'am, ma'am, it is one. Ma'am, it is.
Ma'am, this exam.
Ma'am, it is 1-5 or 5-0.
1-5.
Ma'am,
Christo, what's your doubt, Christo?
Ma'am, am I here? It is 50.
Vega.
Am I here? It is 5-0.
Christo, any doubt? Leonel, it's time. Yeah, Christo.
Ma'am, in that before the one there was the question was what does storage mean in the 10th one, and again when you show the board there was again also 1/10 one.
Okay. Christo, you can answer to the question, define equator. What is equator?
Equator.
can I say?
No, please mute. Others, please
Ma'am,
mute.
can I say?
No. Mute yourself, all of you. Behave. Yes.
Ma'am,
Christo.
I did not study that.
Catherine, yes. Catherine, define equator.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Christo.
Ma'am, equator is the longest latitude.
Very good. Equator is the longest latitude and our equator that divides our Earth into two hemispheres, right? Northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Very good. Ashwin.
Ma'am, it
next.
marks 0 degree on the globe.
Yes, very good. Very good, Ashwin. Why international date line is curved in some places?
To avoid touching on the planets of
Yeah,
planets, continents.
Planet.
The the poles to touch the poles of the north and the
Avoid
south.
the date confusion, right? Yeah, so that it does not pass through the small country or small island. That's why, to avoid the date
It
confusion.
is used.
Yeah, it's there in your text. Sorry, in your workbook. Yeah. Please wait just a minute.
International date line is curved.
Define equator is there. It's in page number 7, question number 7. Then this question, yes. Page number 9, question number 19 in your workbook. Please note, okay? About this, why international date line is curved. It's there in your workbook, question number 19, okay? So all the very best. Take care, bye-bye. See you in the next class. Please report of 1857 for the next class, Tuesday, okay? Tuesday we will revise the question. Lesson.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Yes,
ma'am.
bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.